parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop.
Isaiah Pierce, we're out here at Trojan. Second round of Reed's Racing's GPs because we don't do Moto, we're just GP guys. Many have signed up. Slaya's doing the first race. I'm doing the second race on his bike, hopefully. So stay tuned, we'll catch Isaiah after his race.
Dude, I literally, you guys were on the last lap when I pulled back. I did pretty all right. My foot peg kept sticking. Oh. So I was getting pissed. Yeah, by the way, foot peg sticks. Good luck. That's right side. Dude, I got back here and I kept kicking it. I was like, God, it's not gonna stick now. And it stuck like once. It was literally, I laid it down and then it fucking stuck up and I was kicking and kicking and kicking.
There's just so much dirt in it from falling or some shit.
I don't know.
Did you see that poor kid on the 150?
Yeah.
Good.
In place.
8. Dude, there's 30 people in the class.
Oh my god, yeah, that's not bad then. Alright, so we're on the move.
We are on the move.
We're on the move. I wonder where Wyatt is. I don't see him. Dean's here. Bye now. That's my bad, man. I didn't mean to do that. Okay.
How the fuck did you lap me?
I lapped you?
Yeah.
No way.
Unless you were behind me.
Where were you off the start?
I was up front. I was following you for a long time.
Then I passed you.
Yeah, you lapped me.
I didn't lap you.
Dude, you had to. I was following you, and then you took off. Because I got stuck behind some people.
Maybe I did then.
Dude, I swear to you. Like, I'm fucking, let's go.
They don't know me. Slay up, buddy. How we feel after that one?
Tired.
Me too.
You didn't race the fucking morning race.
I'm still tired.
So if anyone carried the boat, I carried the boat.
You did carry the boat. You carried that fucking boat today, bud. Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, no, fuck me. Doesn't matter what I have to say.
Let's hear it. All right, 3, 2, 1, hear it.
The first moto, I got 8s out of 30 because the classes were stacked. Still seeing the update for the second moto. But don't lap me, so.
They don't know me, son.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU.
See if these idiots are in here. See if these idiots are in here. What the fuck is going on? There's the spool boys in this bitch. Yeah.
Spool boys. Who the fuck is carrying the boats?
I'm carrying the boats. Spool boys live here at Badlands. Day 2. We're going fucking hard. We went hard last night. We are hard. We're just chilling.
You're hungover. You just said it again.
Oh my Hey, let's go down some trails.
No.
We drinking straight with no mixers. Got big
gotta say?
Baja update.
Parties, no pictures. My bag of
Jonah is
greenish.
sauced off the loft. Sauced the loft Vanderland gang. I can't get any better than this. The Spool Boys down here at Badlands. Connor, on the camera, on your food.
I was trying to turn the goddamn music down, but I ain't trying to lose my wieners. Anywho,
We're at the Badlands, at the idiots, the Spool Boys. We got fucking all the shit running. We're ripping, we're going hard. We're all just having a damn good time. The Ford Ranger's here.
it was gonna blow away no matter what. How many goddamn wieners you got on that damn thing?
All I gotta ask
Damn.
is who's gonna carry the boats?
That motherfucker right there.
Sauce or loss of the Vanderland gang.
Connor,
Any better? The Ford Ranger's here. The pit bike.
got the Ranger, the bike, Pitty's over there.
I listen to G-Eazy. I got my Ray-Bans on. I got my Motorolls, my Fast House
Bro,
Motorolls.
shades in the club.
Fast House Motorolls, best piece of gear ever. And I'm eating a wiener. It's going down my gullet.
Yeah, I have a lot of sex and labels. No, I got up next.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, she know she got the best. I got her where she got her. Just
What's up,
another
man?
constant check.
His natural habitat. surrounded by a bunch of rednecks and hillbilly inbreds. He fits right in here. But the occasional rich person, is that the only with a respectable rig here, gets this terror. He's hunting for the weak.
I don't think anybody knows what the fuck you're talking about now.
Oh, Hunter's
You trailed off so bad.
Hunter's,
Alright, so they got me stumped into going on the CRF 110. Out here in the dunes, the worst spot for it. They get a lot of speed. Whoa! Bogging me, bogging me. I was doing so good.
All right, Dodo. So give me a wrap on this weekend. It's not over yet, but
not over yet. Absolutely fucking wild weekend. Literally probably the happiest I've been in for a while. Pit bike rip was the most fun out of anything, I think. Actually, that last session with me and Riley, I just was like, I told Bryce and Hunter, I said, listen, you two stay together. I'm staying together with Riley. We're just gonna go rip the dirt bikes and just standing up, like cruising, just floating over everything was just so much fun. And I'm just happy that the Ranger's gonna carry the boats and the battery's dead for that.
what?
The Ranger carried the boats and it's just such a good truck. That's all I can think about. That's all I can say.
Hunter?
What an asshole.
What's good?
What's up, YouTube?
It's your boy Dildo D here.
Dude, you fucking... you...
Spoil bike, baby, let's go.
Cool, boy.
You ready?
Don't let that happen, motherfucker. Oh, get fucked.
Where's the hole? It's leaking. Oh, there it is. Listen, we do it for the laughs. We do it for the connection with the people, bro. These are the spool boys right here,
Dude, why
man.
the fuck are you wearing your hat like that?
Dude, it doesn't even matter. I'll flip it around. This is what it's about. This is family right here. This is what it's all about.
Hit it! Let's hit it, Wyatt! Hit it! Rip it! We're caught on the pit bike. Get that thing going. Get that thing going. Kick it in gear. Kick it in gear. Get that thing going. You feel me? Go, Cutter. Yeah. Oh! Spool boys? I just want my pants up. That shit got Oh! Shit, Cutter!
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true.